So ever have a problem with your key fob running out of juice? So I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob. This is a Mercedes. It's a GLE, but most of the newer models have the same kind of fob. And this is a Dodge Ram. A lot of the Dodge ones have the same. So for the Mercedes, turn it over, push this button. This is going to be difficult with one finger, but push this button, and then you can slide your key out. I'm going to do this. I know I got a tripod around here somewhere. I just can't find it. Push the button, and then the key slides out. Now, you push the button, and then wet your finger or something so it'll stick to the plastic, and then slide this plastic sleeve this way. When I try to do this, I have to stop the video. There you go. So it'll slide that way, it'll click a little bit, and then you can pull that out. The battery on these key fobs is right here on the side. Just take your fingernail, there's a little lip or a little catch, and pull it out. And then flip it over. And it is positive side down. So let me get a battery for this. Take the new battery, positive side down, push it kind of towards this rubber piece, and then snap it in place. Flip it back over, because the actual battery side should be facing the front. And with one hand, slide it right back in. Now, when replacing this cover, there's one thing you got to be careful with. You lay it right up to the edge, but you see these little tabs on the end? They go into these little slots. There's one there and there's one there. If you're not careful and you don't get it lined up right, you can actually bend those tabs in, and then one of these corners won't be sitting flush. So you just got to make sure that you press it down, and then it'll snap all the way in. Make sure your corners are already all flush. And that's it. And then you can turn it around, and your key should go. This ain't going to be easy with one hand. Hold on. Slide it in on the end like that. It's kind of crooked, but you'll line it up and then push it all the way in, and it'll snap in place. If I can do this with one hand, it's not easy. There we go. There we go. Snaps in. Now, with the Dodge, it's a little different. So you got this little tab you got to push over, and then you can pull this metal piece, which is the key, out. I ain't going to be able to do that with one hand. Hold on. There you go. Just like that. And you pull it out all the way. Now, the tricky part with this is this whole section on the Dodge. I should have taken it off the key ring. But this whole section on the Dodge comes apart. It's right in, splits right in half. You can take your key and, oh boy, I don't know if I could do this. You take your key, you stick it part the way in, and then you can wedge one side of it off. Let's see if I can put this up here. I don't know if that's going to work. Yeah, there we go. So you take the key, you stick it in like that, and then you kind of wedge the key. Oh, sorry. Right between this little slot. See that slot right there? Stick the key in and then wedge it out. Then you can pry the fob apart. And there's your battery. Same battery, CR2032. Pop it out. Got the whole key fob out. Pop the battery out. Come on. You can get your finger in there. There you go. And what did I do with the battery? There we go. And then I got a new battery. Same thing. This one though is positive side. I just want to make sure. Positive side up. Kind of like that. So it goes inside these tabs. Then I can put it back into the key fob case. You can see all your buttons. See if I come up. You see there's all your buttons. Turn it up, slide it in, make sure it's in there. Then slide your back on. Just making sure that the rubber gasket gets all the way around. Squeeze it all the way together. Make sure your edge is all nice and clean. And then you take your key. Slide your key back in and snap it back in. That's it. Those are the two that I have. Dodge Ram. I'll get my camera back. Dodge Ram and a Mercedes 2020 GLE. The Dodge Ram is a 2013. But that's how it works. Everything seems to work perfect. Thank you. Got any questions, hit me up. Subscribe. Talk to you later.